Madam, this one, small to semi-med. Small to semi-med for 96 pesos. Mayan. Mine orange. Mine orange, madam. Small to semi-med for 96 pesos. Mayan orange for only 96 pesos. Next naman.
Mayan orange. Uy, Madam Maya, nice bitaw na nakata-score, madam. Wow, kayo Madam Maya, quality pa dyan kayo daw. Madam, Greenwich. Ano yung M, Madam Sylvie? Madam Marvel CN. Yours na si Greenwich, Madam Marvel CN. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second minor, Madam Jocelyn Bora. Madam Jocelyn, magpapa-second minor ka po ba kay Greenwich, Madam? New minor si Madam Marvel. Ay, check muna natin na.
On your minor. Madam Marvel CN, new minor ka po, madam. Please send us your complete details and your 100 pesos down payment before po makapag-mine ng next item. One time only and deductible to your invoice. Please check your messenger, Madam Marvel CN. Meron po kaming piniem sa inyo po, madam.
Next na, Madam, 96 pesos, the medium. Ang ganda nito, Madam, ombre. Best fit to medium. Quality ang tela, Madam, ha? Gusot lang siya, Madam. Up to medium, mine ombre. Mine ombre, up to medium. For only 96 pesos, Madam. Mine ombre, up to medium, 96. Ombre, next na, Madam.
Mine ombre.
Madam, this one, medium to large. Medium to large for 96 pesos. Mayan. Mine Bukton. Mine Bukton, madam. Medium to large for 96 pesos. Mayan Bukton for only 96 pesos. Next na, madam.
Mayan
Bukton. Naka-code na stripe. Madam Presi, Dam, comment nyo lang po yung code, Dam, ha? Para hindi po kayo mahuli, Dam. Basin ka lang yung suot. Dam, next na, Madam, 96. Dam, XL. Best fit to XL. Dam, wapa lang, Madam. Oversize lang siya. Dam, XL, Madam, 96. Mine reward. Mine reward up to XL for only 96 pesos. Mine reward up to XL for only 96. Reward up to XL. 96 pesos. Next na, Madam.
My reward. Madam Marvel CN, thank you sa pag-down payment, madam. Enjoy mining, madam.
Next na, Dam.
Madam, this one, medium. Medium, madam, for only 96 pesos. Mayan Army. Mine Army, madam, medium for 96 pesos. Mayan Army for only 96 pesos. Next na, madam.
Mayan Army. Next na, Madam. Dam, this one. Dam, natanggal lang ang kanyang dalawang decorative button. 76 pesos lang to, Madam. Dam, natanggal lang kanyang dalawang decorative button, Dam, ha? Up to medium for only 76. Mayan Coleman. Mine Coleman up to medium for only 76 pesos. Mayan Coleman up to medium 76. Coleman up to medium. Army. Okay, Army. Tapos, ang reward, pinakabago or kato
Ang last.
Madam Aiza Belen, yours is your reward, Madam Aiza. Please screenshot, Madam Aiza. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next na, Madam, for only 96. Madam Jocelyn, inform na po namin kayo, Madam, ha? Manipis po ang kanyang tela ni Army. Ayan daw, kasi-through siya, tapos may paggalinan ang tela. Madam Jocelyn Warren, yours is si Army, Madam. Please screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Kasi code na po. Mine, coded. Coded ba? 76, Madam Jessie Villo. Yours is si coded, Madam. 76 pesos. Please screenshot, Madam Ja. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next na, Madam.
Madam, this one, medium. Medium, madam, for only 96 pesos. Mayan. Mine Diamond. Mine Diamond, madam, medium for 96 pesos. Mayan Diamond for only 96 pesos. Next na, madam.
Mayan Diamond.
Anong code ni MI? Dam! Nabaliktad lang yung pagsuot kanina. Isusuot ka sana ulit, Dam. Ano siya? Front ito, tapos likod sa MIU. Medium to large po to, Dam. Mine, ano na lang to, Dam? Mine 1, 2, 3. Mine 1, 2, 3. Medium to large. 96. Nabaliktad lang ng suot kanina. Ito talaga yung front niya, Madam. Tapos, ayan ang likod. Mine 1, 2, 3. Hello, Madam. Presi Arasola. Location po natin, Madam. Talisay at Cebu City, Madam. Yes, Madam. Nagsiship po kami nationwide, Dam, every day. Except Sundays, Madam, through JNT door-to-door. Payment first po tayo, Madam, sa items and SF, Madam. Comment. Si comment. Ano yung comment na code, madam? Madam, mine 1, 2, 3 lang po ito, dam, ha? Kung gusto niyo pong i-mine, madam. Next na, madam.
Mine, 1, 2, 3.
O, down this one, medium. Medium, madam, for 96 pesos. Mayan.
Ay, ako account.
Maya numbers. My numbers, madam, medium for 96 pesos. Maya numbers for only 96 pesos. Next,
My numbers.
Madam, Kathleen Abueva, yours na si Diamond, madam. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Next, madam.
Next na, madam. For only 96. 1, 2, 3. Okay na si check ko, madam. Kathleen Abueva. Madam Marlene Hanilia, yours is si 1, 2, 3. Please go screenshot, madam Marlene. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay na siya. Last 5 naman. Madam, second minor, Madam Norma Cordoba.
Isa ni Ticha.
Kathleen Abueva. Check lang. Kaniin mo.
Ang imo ate, Marilyn.
Marlene Hanilia. So, madam, last 5 items na lang po tayo, madam. But before po tayo mag-proceed sa ating last 5, madam, ulitin lang po natin yung mechanics natin, madam, for you to be guided, madam. So, madam, we will continue our live selling this afternoon, madam, 2 to 5 p.m., madam. Trouser shorts po tayo this afternoon, madam, ha? Very limited lang po yung stocks natin, madam. So, abangan nyo later, madam. So, madam, location po natin, madam, Talisay and Cebu City, madam. Meron po tayong deliveries, madam, from Mondays to Saturdays. Alas 8 sa morning, madam, mga 2 ang cut-off, madam. And, madam, strictly buy now, deliver ta tomorrow, madam. So, kung hindi pa maganahan magpa-deliver tomorrow, madam, for Cebu area, kindly fully pay lang your items, madam. And, pwede na kami magbuot sa inyong schedule. Kung taga-Talisay area ka, madam, na tayo pick up, madam. Ay, joke lang. No pick ups na, madam. Only deliveries pin from Gentle Peace Subdivision, madam. Kung taga Cebu City area po kayo, madam, pin from UV Colon, madam, to your address. Maximum rate po tayo, madam. Kung outside Cebu po kayo, madam, meron po tayong shipping everyday, except Sundays, madam, through J&T door-to-door. Pin and first po tayo, madam, sa items and SF, madam. And, madam, no cancellations po tayo, madam, every afterlife, madam. So, madam, para po sa ating mga minors this morning, madam, makaka-receive po kayo ng invoice, madam, after this live. Paantay na lang po, madam. And then, madam, payments or balances must be settled po, madam, within 24 hours, madam. Okay, madam, next item po tayo, madam. Medium to... Dam, agoy. Parang nag-loading yung live natin, dam. Dam, this one, ang ganda. Uy, wako kay ni. Medium to semi-large, madam. Mine key up ang doggy. Mine key at medium to semi-large for only 96 pesos. Mine key at medium to semi-large, 96. Key at medium to semi-large, 96 pesos.